Can't get the screw holes to line up on this fan. It's like not quite the right size or something. I can't push it more this way. I'm wondering if that part of the middle's different shape or angle. Here's the old one. You can see how it lines up like that. I don't know if it's okay to put it in here loose. Like won't it rattle or something? And it seems like it sits deeper on here than the other one. Like I can push it further on than it should be. Like there's that big overhang here. It's just not quite the same shape. So I don't know what's up with that. Is it worth like cutting the metal to make it fit? That one's totally off. If that's supposed to be that, then no, that's not gonna work. Yeah, these are like not the same. Look how far off these holes are there and there. I could maybe skip one of them if I get the other two to line up. Well, I think those are off too. So if I compare, yeah, they're just like totally different sizes. I don't know why they acted like this will work. I mean, maybe you could make it work, but it seems sketchy. Maybe I was supposed to buy a heat pipe from them too, or something. So, let's say I just push it on as deep as it goes like that. Maybe put some tape there. Would that be enough to hold it then? Oh yeah, does it even fit? Yeah, I think it fits. Hopefully this doesn't fry it. I never did find out. this was the right. Hang on, let me compare colors. Okay, they're mostly the same. Red on the far right, black in the middle. Come on, get in there. Are these holes different pitch than the other one? I feel like it like half stuck before. Okay, I'll try to hold it there. Ooh, it spins up. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna try the old one again. I got some pretty big pieces of fluff out of it. Black in the middle. There's probably a better way to do this. I don't know. Nothing. No. This one's totally dead. But the new one seems good. It seems like a solid test. I don't know if capped on would be good enough to hold this. But I need something thin, I think. There's some wiggle here too that's a little concerning. Well, let's just see what we can get done here. I think I need a pretty long piece. Okay, that is already holding better than I expected it to. But still, if that's like floating up a bit, I wonder if there's anything I could jam in there. There was adhesive there before on the old one. So maybe this isn't completely crazy. Although that one had screws. And now this does not have any screws holding it to the heat pipe. I don't remember which way the power plug goes in, so that's also a little concerning. Oh yeah, I didn't put thermal paste on yet. This was just a test fit. Oh God. I should tape this also. We're getting real crazy now. It's kind of sketchy, but could be worse. To do about the eBay feedback though, because the fan kind of seems wrong, but I kind of just want to use it anyway. But people are usually not happy if you leave negative feedback without trying to sort it out with them first. Came with this little thing of thermal paste. There's a QR code. But I have my own, so I'll probably just use my own. I don't know how much I should put on here. It was kind of pooling over the edge when I took it apart before. And I just repasted it a couple months ago. So maybe I put too much before. Maybe that's good. Or is that already too much? I don't know. I really want to get this in here without squishing the paste until I know it's in there properly. Oh, there, I think I got past the thing. Maybe did. is this visible? Oh yeah, it is. Is this even going in? I don't know. I feel like it's not. Maybe it is. It's moving so much. No, I don't think it's going in. Why is it not going in? Yeah, it's totally loose. What the heck? Okay, there we go, maybe. Oh yeah, it's actually tightening now. These screws were just so weird. I thought they were like captive, but they were not in their holes. Okay, yeah, this seems nice and tight. Oof, this is pretty sketchy though. Okay, how do I put this in? Is this a case where it only fits one way? So the old one would have been like that. Based on this bend, I'm guessing it plugged in like this. Let's see if it fits. Might be a little annoying to plug in. And I'm testing it with the old fan plug. Okay, let me try the other way. This isn't working well. It's probably this way because the holes are more to that side and the pins are more to that side. Oh yeah, okay. So blue closer to the SSD. I don't know if this is supposed to go over or under the heat pipe. was some clip or something that it was going through for. I didn't really redo that. This cable seems shorter too, maybe. I don't know. Okay, I think I got it in. So one concern I have about going over the heat pipe is what if it like melts the cables? Maybe it's supposed to go under. I'm pretty sure I have a picture of this. But I think I would have to stop the recording to check it on my phone. Well, let me see if I can get it to go under without reseating everything. And if I can, that's probably better. Yeah. It's in. Is it? What is the failure mode of this anyway? What happens if I have the plug reversed somehow? Will it fry the fan? Will it spin in reverse? I should put tape over this, probably. I might need more than that, because that's just going to push up against the tape. I should really have something holding the wires down. Maybe like over here. Something like that, kind of. I don't know if that'll hold. Okay. Oh yeah, I took the wireless card out of this a long time ago because it didn't work with the Linux Libre kernel anyway.